Hi everyone, so I wanted to share my experience of playing Call of Duty on my iPad Pro using my Xbox controller. So as you can see, it's already connected, so let's get started. So I'll open my Call of Duty. I think this is one of the best setup I have ever came across for playing Call of Duty. I can also connect my iPad to my monitor as well for playing, but for this scenario, let's suppose we don't have, it can work with any controller, but I think this is one of the best controller you can go for. So it's already connected. Let me just turn on the volume a bit. The speakers on this is amazing. Yeah, so let's get started. I usually play multiplayer. Let me just start a random team deathmatch and let's get started. So before the game start, let me just show you my settings. So the controller is connected and the graphics are on very high. So let's start. The graphics. The graphic quality is amazing. So I got shot. Just playing on this angle is not very easy, but
lost the lead. Target's in sight. Close. Fight harder. Lost the lead. Enemy UAV spotted.
So it was working great.
Come on, then. We're winning
Let
this
me
one.
see if I'll be able to find my package.
XS-1 Goliath is ready. XS-1 Goliath is coming. Friendly predator missile down. XS-1 Goliath is ready.
Oh, it got late. Let me just find it. If I'll be able to, it'll be nice. Otherwise,
Enemy contact.
let me see if I'll be able to get to it. Let's have fun. I really love playing this game on this Xbox. Hey, I'm not the lead scorer.
Nice work. Well done.
There are some problems, like some controller works, but sometimes you need to touch your iPad. It can be a great tool if you want to play, like it's still. I keep the settings to custom because I work on low sensitivity. But other than for graphics, I am working on the highest graphic right now. So this was my gameplay. Let me know if you enjoyed my video and please subscribe to my channel. My name is Rohit. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye.